Hello viewers, my name is Ganesh Madda and I am CEO of 5-Minute SST and SST. We would like to welcome you once again with Mr. Preshit Dalal, on our cloud knowledge based series. Last week we talked about on the cloud security with Preshit Dalal. We are going to continue on the same topic once again, and we would like to ask one more question to Preshit Dalal on that same topic. The question today, Prishit Dalal, is, nowadays ransomware is a big concern for all enterprise and small medium business. How secure is cloud for ransomware attack and how do we protect it?
Yeah, sure. So as you know, right, recently there was a big ransomware issue about, I think, US oil companies and all, right? So
Yes,
it was a big thing.
this one, subways were also affected,
Yeah.
There was one meat company also which was affected because of that,
Right,
That's
right.
a big thing is going on nowadays. Yeah.
Yep. So this is one of the, I think it's more like it's going to be an ongoing issue now because it was already proven to be a loop, like a hole inside the security, right? So definitely there are major big players in the security domain on the Azure cloud, but as a company, right, I think what we need is like a infrastructure, or it's more like a security strategy, right, where I would define it as like 5 pillars to define a security, be it a database, be it an application, or your even VMs, right? On premises VM or a hybrid VM. So the 5 pillars I would say is basically you identify the cybersecurity risk. What at what level do you have? Is it about data? Is it about people or capabilities or system asset? So identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. So when you say protect, you have to create safeguards by creating cybersecurity policies, compliance, and encryption technologies, and lot other critical services which are much more needed. And on cloud, you can do that very easily, as I said before, with the third party vendors, or even forget about third party vendors, even Azure, AWS, and Google. They have their own native safeguards in their cloud terminology, right? So that you can protect it. Detection is more like a continuous way to monitor your organization for threats, and you can have alerts on each level. On, see, if it's a entire architecture, you can do that. Yep. And even respond to the alert. So it's not just reactive action, it's more like a proactive action. So if you have a threat, immediately there's some response and an incident is generated, and the ransomware, before it goes to your data level or the next level, it's been captured and it's been blocked because of the compliance and policy whatever you have in your infrastructure. And then you can recover, right? Build a cyber resilience program, like a backup strategy to prevent your systems affecting by the ransomware incident. So those are 5 pillars, I would say.
Thank you. Very good. Very good explained, how we can secure the cloud specifically for the ransomware. Thank you, Mr. Prishit Dalal, for your expertise on your cloud and its security concern. And I think so this will be helpful very much for the enterprise audience and small business mediums who want to go to cloud, and they're very afraid, of their on-premises and all their ransomware. I think so this is one of the good topics, to
I think agree. The best part is like there are so many players and so many expertise, right? You have a competition, healthy competition, where you can compare products and basically try to suit it to your needs, and then even negotiate on the pricing and then their models, right? So that's pretty good nowadays.
That was good. Thank you, viewers, for watching our cloud knowledge based series and liking our series. Thank you, and thank you everyone. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.
Thank you.